Want me to get it for you? Here it comes. There we go. We'll put it right next to you. Are you playing? Were you playing the drums? Oh, what's it sound like when you hold it? You're getting very excited. You're gonna play the floor too? Alright, say bye-bye. Oh, you gonna play the floor for us? Nathan, you say bye-byes? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I know your hands are too full to wave.